Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. K. S. Vijay. I'm Associate Professor of Savita Engineering College, and this is my capstone project. And so, this is my website that I have created. So, that is drvijayamoodlecloud.com. So, you can see my profile picture here, and this is the course that I have introduced here for fundamentals of biochemistry. So, if you just click on it, you can see what are all the things that I have included. So, I have included the participants also in this course. So these are the participants that I have included. So these many participants is included and all are active. The next one I just wanted to show you is what are all the course modules. I have given announcements like what is the course and when you have to join. See instructions for online classes also I have given. When you click on it, you just get the details like what is the link for the online classes and what is the name of the WhatsApp group that they can use. All that is being given here. So the next one is yeah, just I'll go back. The next one is the course introductory to the course, like introduction to the course or course outline, syllabus, timetable, all that is given. So everything for the time purpose, I have just downloaded a course outline. If you just click on the course outline, you can see all the course outlines like the prerequisite needed. This is a course outcome. I have given the mapping of the course outcome with PO and mapping of CO with PO, CO, all that is been given here. And then coming back, I've also given the syllabus. So the syllabus also I have downloaded. So this is the syllabus, full syllabus I have given. And then about the timetable, yes, timetable also is been downloaded, and this is the timetable it looks like. And then yeah, lesson plan, yeah, lesson plan is also given, and then question repository, materials, all that. So question repository, if you see, I have given the question repository like this, all the unit wise questions, 2 marks and detailed answers, all that has been given here. So these are all 2 marks and these are all the 16 marks. Okay. So the next one is yeah, lesson plan. So the lesson plan, if you see a detailed lesson plan with all the topics and subtopics each wise, hour wise, I have given what textbooks they have to follow, what is the PO that they will achieve, what is the course outcome that they will achieve, all this, and also when is the CAA 2 coming. See, I have also indicated that, and all the 5 units has been covered here. So the lesson plan also I have covered, and of course the materials link, if you just click, it will take to my YouTube link. So this is my YouTube channel, this is Dr. Vijay, my YouTube channel, and all the notes which I have created is given here. Okay. So going back, I have also given a virtual lab link also. This is the virtual lab link, Mamrita Vidyalaya virtual link, and all the experiments is given here. They can students can utilize this link for their virtual experience. And I have also given a feedback on this course material. Students feedbacks can be got here. I have asked some questions, and the student I can assess my materials and this based on this feedback. Okay. So that introductory module which you have asked is all I have covered all these things. And then the materials were to be uploaded. The module I have created here is unit 1 is a module, and so like PPT is given, PDF is given, and assignments I have given, assignment with rubrics I have given. So these are the rubrics out of 100. So I have given as 20, 30, 30, 20. So people can know what is that I'm expecting. And also I have given a voice recorded quiz and also an MCQ. MCQ I have given as a deferred graded assignment. You can see in the review. You can see the review what so you can you know this type of thing is given accuracy mark, CBM. So CBM concept I have taken, so a bit underconfident. So like that I tried using this online classes. It was very useful for me. So see, 5 students have attempted this, and I can see this who are the 5 students and what are the grades, and the PDF also is been downloaded. You can get like this. So graded also, I have graded also using this. So I'll just go back. Yeah. So I have taken some PDFs and live recordings. You have been asked for live recordings, and this is my live recording, live lecture. Yeah, it takes to that. So this is my live recording. You can see my name here. This is the live recording. The starting I will show. So these are the students, list of students, and I have recorded. See, so this is my live recording. Yeah, so that was an example of live recording, and this is my recorded lectures. Like if you click this is my recorded lecture. I have recorded in my YouTube channel link, and I have given that link. So it's my yeah, you can see this is my, so see, this is my channel, and this is my video. So I have given that as a recorded lecture also here. And of course, what else was asked is, yeah, I have also created a forum, discussion forum with all these metabolism queries. Who all have queries can submit that in this discussion forum. So I think I have covered everything: grading, assessment rubrics, quiz, all these things I have covered. Recorded lecture, live recording, all these things. And then my feedback on this online coaching was very nice. It was very useful for me. This grading system, rubrics, all were useful for me. It was wonderful experience, and thank you for that.